Hello and welcome to Co-Learning Lounge presents IPL Fantasy Team of the Day. I'm your host Nitali Agarwal and we are here to pick Fantasy 11 players along with their four alternatives for this for the coming game between Rajasthan Royals and Mumbai Indians. So for today we have Fantasy 15 and to begin with first with the batsmen. Here are the picks. Rohit Sharma, S.A. Yadav, and S.P.D. Smith. So Rohit Sharma, a must-have for this game as he had very good performance in Abu Dhabi this IPL season. So we don't like to miss him up. And then we have Surya Kumar Yadav. He has a mixed season so far, but has been a consistent performer for MI. Steve Smith started season very well, but has been off. But he definitely you won't like to miss him. So that's why he's one of our picks. All three are fantasy 11 as well. Steve Smith, S.A. Yadav, and Rohit Sharma. Moving next to our all-rounders, we have Hardik Pandya, K. Pollard, and Krunal Pandya. Hardik Pandya, an explosive all-rounder waiting to make big impact this tournament. Pollard, destructive batsman, and with Hardik not bowling, Pollard has consistently bowling a couple of overs every game. Could get a wicket or two to add to his points tally. So definitely he's one of the pick. Then Krunal Pandya can give you a bit with the bat and is a really good bowler. Has given signs of being in form with the ball in the last couple of games. So Hardik and Krunal as of now are missing out the spot because of credit problems, credit point problems. That's why we are picking up Pollard because we don't like to miss on him. But yeah, definitely Hardik and Krunal Pandya are your alternatives. You can, if your points allow, credits are there, then you can go ahead with any one of them or both of them also. Moving towards keepers, we have Jay Butler, Ishan Kishan, and SV Sampson. So Butler is known as England's best white ball player. He is too good to be considered, to be not considered. The fact that he keeps is a he is a keeper is a plus point and hasn't been in tournament by storm so far, but definitely he will come back and we don't want to miss him out. So he's one of the pick. Ishan Kishan and Sanju Samson. So Ishan Kishan has a very good season starting with 99 in his first game, so we won't like to miss on him. Sanju Samson, pure class as a batsman, and Rajasthan Royals will rely on him to get them a good score as he has looked their most fluent batsman so far this season. So Josh Butler, as we said, that he hasn't been done much great this season, but we won't like to miss him anyhow. So he is in a fantasy 15, but not making to fantasy 11. So we have Ishan Kishan and Sanju Samson as our picks for keeper. Moving towards our bowler, we have S. Gopal, Jofra Archer, Jasprit Bumrah, T.A. Bolt, Rahul Chahar, and Tom Curran. So S. Gopal, consistent performer. Leggies are wicket takers this IPL season. Jofra Archer, class bowler. You don't need a reason to pick him up. Definitely he picks himself up. And we have Jasprit Bumrah. He again picks himself up. He has been doing great this season as well. Bolt has consistently picked 2 wickets every game this season. You won't like to miss him up, but he's not making to a fantasy 11 because of the credit points issue. We have Rahul Chahar, again leggy, and has done well to pick wickets this year. Tom Curran can bat a bit and bowl at the death. That gives him the opportunity to pick wickets. So making to a fantasy 11, we have S. Gopal, Jofra Archer, Jasprit Bumrah, Rahul Chahar, and Tom Curran. Bolt misses the spot because of credit issues, but he is definitely one of the pick. You can select him. So again, quickly revising back who are our fantasy 11 picks. We have Rohit Sharma, Surya Kumar Yadav, Steve Smith as our batsman. In all-rounder, we have K. Pollard as all-rounder. Moving towards our keepers, we have Ishan Kishan and Sanju Samson in the keeping category. And bowling category, we have S. Gopal, Jofra Archer, Jasprit Bumrah, Rahul Chahar, and Tom Curran. You have 4 alternatives available. In all-rounder category, you have Hardik Pandya and Krunal Pandya. And in keeping category, you have Josh Butler available. And in bowlers, you have T.A. Bolt available as your alternative. So guys, these are the pick for Fantasy 11. Do let us know in the comment section in case you have any feedbacks or suggestions for our team. Also, if you have any doubts or any questions for us, please let us know. We are here live for next 20 minutes to answer any of your queries. Along with this, please join our WhatsApp and Telegram group to uh, get updated about any change, any last minute change post toss in Fantasy 11 team. We would be posting updates over there between 7 p.m. to 7:20 p.m. if there are any changes. If not, also we would be updating that there are no changes in the team. So that's one thing. And thank you all for your love and support that you have provided for all the subscription. Who have not subscribed till now, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Moving to the best part of the day, what's the pro tip? So for today, you pro tip is here for you, and that's it. On slower tracks, it is good to pick more a conventional batsman who can play longer innings. So keep this in mind and do select your captain, vice captain wisely so that they can add on your points. So thank you guys, and we will meet again tomorrow. Till then, take care.